Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have been waiting to unbox this. I can't wait to show you. It's a DAC. It's the first one in my DAC marathon. Over the next 2 weeks, you will see more unboxings of this wonderful stack behind me that has just been dying to be let out. I just hear the voices of the drills. Please let us out. We want to sparkle. So yeah, I've lost it a little bit. Anyway, please stay tuned. Let's check out this unboxing. Can't wait to see what glitters inside. Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have a DAC for you. Look, this could be my hand. Like, let me grab a pen. There we go. Can I look like her? There we go. Something like that. Anyway, I digress. I am so excited to be joining the event with Wolfpack and with Rachel Ray in Winter with DAC. And this is something I received. It was a quick sale. I didn't unbox it in front of you guys because it was sold out, but now I believe it's available or on pre-order, so you can purchase it. This is the wonderful square diamond painting from Diamond Art Club, and I know I haven't unboxed some of these in a while. I have 6 or 7 that I need to unbox during COVID time that have just been collecting, and now is the time to unbox them as we get into the holiday season. This is the Nutcracker. So it is square with AB. It is 20 inch by 28 inch or 51 by 71. And I hope that we can explore and open this together and see how wonderful it's going to be during this holiday season. Wolfpack was talking in her live on Thursday about how everyone is so anxious to start that we had to wait till December 1st. And I thought, you know, with Thanksgiving next weekend, I'm going to be out of town. And I thought, you know, I'm going to open this with you guys. I'm going to kit it up this afternoon. And I will be all set when I get back from Thanksgiving to just dive in and join everybody. There's a Facebook group. I'll put the link down below. And it has to be a brand new painting. Woo. And it has to be what winter means to you. And here in the United States, the Northern Hemisphere, it is going to be Christmas season. And I love Hannah Lynn and this Nutcracker. This was in the past when it came with this style sticker. It has 46 colors. It looks like the ABs are going to be green, blue, and white. This is the toolkit that comes with it. With squares, you get tweezers. They are the sharp tweezers, so be very careful with them. You get a single placer. You get a clear tray, some baggies, a squishy for your pen, and some heart wax. This one does not have any multi-placers in it, even though it says it should. Yep, I don't see any. But that's okay. I think the multi-placers they use are not necessarily the ones I use, which is fine. So I am not crying over spilt milk. Diamond Art Club has their own logo on their paintings. Branding, I should say. I couldn't think of the word. Oh, it's been so long since I've opened one of these. I feel like I haven't worked on a Diamond Art Club in forever. Also, if you want to purchase a Diamond Art Club, I do have a link or a code down below. I really don't get a kickback. It's just kind of 15% off for you guys. I'm not an affiliate with them, but they do give me a code. What I love about this is they give you your pasting area down here. They tell you it's a Hannah Lynn with Diamond Art Club. They tell you the size. They give you all of your social media. They give you your lifetime warranty. Oh, you just kind of want to feel this. It's like velvet over and over again. I have to do this sideways. Look at that detail. Whew. I'm having heart palpitations. Look at that beautiful face. It is absolutely gorgeous. It does come with step-by-step instructions. Look at the quality and detail of those symbols. They also have the surge on the side. They do have your key in the top and top left and bottom right. And this is just gorgeous. Has the Hannah Lynn eyes to it. It's got the Christmas tree in the background, the beautiful hair and bow. Look at those locks. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I sometimes do the cheeks still that pink, but I do them a little bit different. Just to kind of help blend, but we'll see if this one I do different or not. I haven't done a square DAC in a while, so I'm looking forward to this. It's got a lot of the 310. It's got some beautiful yellows, that lovely burgundy color. Got some pinks, some blues and purples in there. I'm looking for the ABs. Try not to take it completely apart because I won't get it back together. So here's your white ABs. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's got that sequence coating on it to make it more rainbow-like versus sparkle. Here's the green and the blue, same thing. Absolutely gorgeous. It's been a while since I've opened a Diamond Art Club, so I am drooling over this. I'll put this back in here so I don't lose anything. Woo! There we go. So, this is amazing. It is true to size, but so that you trust me, I will measure. So it's 51 on the dot, and that's what it said. And let's turn it this way. Look at those lips. She's saying, oh, I'm so excited for Christmas. And it is 71, just like it said. So very true to size. I love her dress. I love the details in her dress. I cannot wait to start this. I think they did an amazing job charting it. This is what the picture looks like. This is what the diamond painting looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. And he even has rosy cheeks as well and a wonderful crown. Can't wait to start this. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll leave the link down below, but I can't wait to see what you're doing for your winter with DAC. So until next time, be blessed, take care, bye-bye.